Dear students, today under this chapter we are going to see what is reversible process. A reversible process, one which can be reversed in such a way that all changes occurring in the direct process are exactly repeated in the opposite order and inverse sense, and no changes are left in any of the bodies taking part in the process or in the surroundings. If heat is observed in the direct process, the same amount of heat should be given out in the reverse process. If work is done on the working substance in the direct process, then same amount of work should be done by the working substance in the reverse process. Conditions for reversibility. So let us see what are the conditions to require for reversible process. There must be complete absence of dissipative forces such as friction, viscosity and electric resistance, etc. The direct and reverse process must take place infinitely slowly. The temperature of the system must not differ appreciably from its surroundings. So these are the conditions for reversible process. Let us see few examples. All isothermal and adiabatic changes are reversible if they are performed very slowly. When a certain amount of heat is observed by ice, it melts. If the same amount of heat is removed from it, the water formed in the direct process will be converted into ice. An extremely slow extension or contraction of a spring without setting up oscillations. Very slow evaporation or condensation. When a perfectly elastic ball falls from some height on a perfectly elastic horizontal plane, the ball rises to the initial height. A reversible process is only an ideal concept. In actual process, there is always loss of heat due to friction, condensation, radiation, etc. Let us see what is irreversible process. Any process which is not reversible exactly is an irreversible process. All natural processes such as conduction, radiation, radioactive decay, etc. are irreversible. All practical processes such as free expansion, Joule-Thomson expansion, electrical heating of a wire are also irreversible. Let us see few examples for irreversible process. A sudden and fast stretching of a spring may produce vibrations in it. Now a part of energy is dissipated. This is the case of irreversible process. Sudden expansion or contraction and rapid evaporation or condensation are examples of irreversible process. Third one is Joule-Thomson effect. Let us see what is Joule-Thomson effect in the further chapters. Heating produced by the passage of an electric current through a resistance is irreversible. Heat transfer between bodies at a different temperatures is also irreversible. So these are the examples for irreversible process. Tomorrow in the next class we'll see few more topics. Thank you.